bilang persona non grata sa Cebu ng Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines. Dahil sa controversial niya na pahayag bilang persona non grata.
22 years of existence, I can say that there is nothing major problem that I have done in my life.
Para kumuha ng interpreter ang mga pambato ng Pilipinas.
That's a good idea, especially that there are Filipinos all over the world.
Maari rin daw sa kanilang native na lengguwahe.
Kasi when you think about a Cebuana, can hardly speak English and of course Tagalog. So maybe she should answer in Bisaya.
Maari rin daw.
All our Filipino contestants should speak in their language, whatever they feel like, para they have time to think, di ba? Dami interpreter dyan, di ba? Like the Japanese. Of course, it was misquoted at that time.
Panoorin ang kabuuan ng video sa Pusong Pinoy Po channel. Please like and subscribe!